Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi inverter at home. First, gather your essential components like a 12-volt battery, a suitable transformer, and an inverter circuit board. Ensure you have basic tools such as a soldering iron and wires. Remember, safety is paramount. Always double-check connections and work in a well-ventilated area to prevent hazards. Now let's focus on the core components. You'll need a 12-volt DC battery, ideally with a capacity of 7 amp hours or more, to provide sufficient power. For the transformer, choose a step-up type, converting 12-0-12 volts to 220 volts AC. Carefully assemble your inverter circuit board, ensuring all MOSFET and the driver IC are correctly placed and soldered according to the schematic. With your components ready, it's time for wiring. Connect the 12-volt battery to the DC input terminals of your inverter circuit board, paying close attention to polarity. Next, wire the low-voltage side of your step-up transformer to the output terminals of the inverter circuit. Finally, connect the high-voltage side of the transformer to an AC output socket, ensuring all connections are secure before proceeding to the next step. For the final touches, enclose your completed inverter in a sturdy, non-conductive casing to protect the internal components and ensure user safety. Regular maintenance, such as checking battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring all connections remain tight, will extend your inverter's lifespan. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This simple maintenance routine helps keep your Desi inverter running efficiently for a long time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.